All right, we're in Vera, Virginia. Another little rabbit hunt here today. Property looks awesome. Weather's perfect. Hard rain last night. That old Lester, Joe, Chris, John. Dogs are tracking. See if we get one up right quick. I'll tell you, whether you kill a rabbit or not, this is a beautiful view. Don't get much better than that. Sounds like we got the first jump pretty quick. Going up the ridge. Well, he's headed that way now. He's going up that draw. Yeah, I think he peppered him. Ah. Oh boy. Boys wide open, having fun. Come on, Papa Smurf.
They might have caught that rabbit down there because I thought I hit the first rabbit.
I saw when you shot that rabbit, he went sideways.
His ass spun around. This is the rabbit I seen.
Yeah, he was sitting down right up there.
The other rabbit's smaller.
Give me a bag.
But that motherfucker.
Yeah, Papa Smurf.
It's a rabbit.
It's another rabbit down there. It's another damn rabbit there.
There should be 3 rabbits in there. That's a fucking
$5 rabbit right there. All that lives.
$36. Hey, weighed 2 pounds when he started. He's 2.5 now.
Yeah, he for sure 2.5.
He got lead in it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Video is running. See what you got. I said you can get him when he gets on the other side of the road. He going up. He is going right up the creek. He's sounding good though. Might be the last one of the day. Sounding good. Dogs have been running for about 6 hours now. Still sounding good. This may be the last one before we put them up though, but I'm still getting it done.